Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to log into the ProjectX platform, step by step. First things first, make sure you've already signed up with Hola Prime and purchased your challenge. Once that's done, your ProjectX login credentials will be sent directly to your registered email address. You can also find them anytime by logging into your Hola Prime dashboard and going to the Overview section. To access the platform, you can either click on the link provided in the Overview section of your dashboard or go to the Downloads tab, scroll down to ProjectX, and click on it to start the download. For now, let's access the platform by clicking the link in the Overview section. This will redirect you to the ProjectX website. Here, in the Username section, enter your username and not your registered email address. Next, enter your password and click on Sign In. After signing in, you'll have to complete 3 mandatory agreements before you can access the platform. Click on the first agreement. Take a moment to go through the document. Then, you'll need to fill in your full name, your country of residence, and make sure to enter your correct and complete address details, including street address, city, state, or province, and zip code. Double-check this info to ensure everything is accurate. Once filled out, tick the checkbox to confirm you've read and agreed to the terms, then click Submit. Next, open the second agreement regarding market data self-certification and read it carefully. Tick the I agree box and click Submit. Finally, open the last agreement, read it and tick the I agree box at the bottom, and then click Submit. And that's it. You're now fully set up and logged into the ProjectX platform. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful trading content.